In this video, we will do Canva poster design hack. So let's see how to do that. First open blank video page, click on uploads, select some image. Let's place it here, increase its size up to the size of the page. Then select another image. Let's place it here, increase its size again up to the size of the page. Now go to apps. In the search box, search for image blender. Select this image blender app. Now under tools, click on linear and place this pointer like this. You can see, so that both the images you can see like this way. You can adjust like this. Now click on save button. Now click on uploads, add another image, increase its size up to the size of the page. Click on apps. In the search box, search for image blender. Select linear and from this point reduce its strength. Then click on save button. The blended image will be added here. Now click on uploads. Let's select this image, increase its size. Now go to apps. In the search box, search again for image blender. Click this app. Now let's select this image. And now from this point, you can drag it like this. Now reduce its strength to 0. Click on save button. You can see it like this. Now click on share, download. Then from here select PNG and then download. It's downloaded. Now add another page. Click on uploads. Let's add this image, increase its size. Click on BG remover so that to remove the background. Now click on edit. Scroll bit down, select custom. Under highlight, select color to black. Now click on share, download. From here select PNG and select this page and then download. Page will be downloaded. So let's add another page. Upload the downloaded image. Now click on uploads. Now add this image. Place both the images side by side. Then under apps, search for blend image. Select this blend image app. Select this image under top layer. Similarly, select this for bottom layer. And it's generated. Now it's added to the page. You can see it will appear like this. Click on edit. Under filters, click on select all. Let's select sandy. You can select of your choice. And it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.